everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. So this morning I dropped off my kiddos at school and I was able to go and do a little fall browsing. I don't want to say shopping because I'm too cheap to buy fall decor. I would rather buy stuff at Dollar Tree and then make it. So I did check out Hobby Lobby and we checked out TJ Maxx, and then I went to Dollar Tree, and my Dollar Tree still doesn't have a lot of fall stuff, but I was able to pick up a few items, and I have some ideas in my head of some DIYs that I want to make. And Hobby Lobby was such an inspiration. Like, I don't know if you guys have been in there, but they have got some cute stuff. But like I said, I'm too cheap to buy all the stuff there because that would add up. Do you know that their garland is like $80? It's 40% off, granted, but holy moly, that is a lot of money for some garland. So I'm just gonna insert some of my little shopping video, and I'll play some nice relaxing music for you guys so you can check that out. And then when that's over, I'm gonna show you guys what we got at Dollar Tree. So I did get a couple Halloween items, some fall items, and then just some other random items. So let's get into it. We started off our little shopping at Hobby Lobby, and let me just tell you, they get you at the front door. This stuff was out like in the front before you even walk in, and everything is so cute. But like I said, like, this stuff can add up. So I was really happy to see everything and just get some inspiration and get some ideas. But yeah, like some of the prices were good. You know, everything's 40% off, but it's still, you know, it's not like going to the Dollar Tree. So yeah, like some of the garland that I found, I could not believe those were $79.99. I would never spend that much on garland for fall. You could make some from Dollar Tree. It might take a little bit, you know, because these garlands were a lot bigger. But they had the cutest stuff here. But a lot of the things, I was like, you know what? I could make that for so much cheaper. So you guys stay tuned for that. I got so many ideas that I'm going to try to recreate. So stay tuned for that video. And you guys watch till the end because I found these corns somewhere else and they were a heck of a lot cheaper. I thought those were so cute and I found them somewhere else. So watch till the end if you guys want to see where I got them. And this was their Halloween aisle. They don't have a ton out yet. I thought it was funny how they just kind of had like those pumpkins spaced out. I'm assuming they're going to be getting a bunch more in, but they did have some cute stuff, but they just didn't have much yet. All right, our next stop was TJ Maxx, and let me tell you guys how disappointing this trip was. This was it. They had this little shelf here and then a little table that you guys will see in a second. But this was it. I could not believe they didn't have more stuff. I should have hit like Home Goods. I'm sure Home Goods had a heck of a lot more. But yeah, so they had that little shelf and then this table just in the middle of the store. I thought this was super random. And then our last stop, Dollar Tree, they did have quite a good selection. They kind of had stuff scattered throughout the store. Like I thought that it would all be in one place, but it wasn't. So they had this section and then they kind of just had like end caps all over the place. But they did have a bunch of cute little signs. A lot of them, I was just kind of getting inspiration. I like have different ideas of what I want to make, like to make it more like personable. So yeah, I will hopefully be posting some of those videos soon. I thought these little glitter pumpkins were so cute. I should have gotten a couple of these, but I actually have a bunch of pumpkins from last year that I made, so I really don't need any more of those. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed that little shop with me, calming. I love watching those videos where people are just kind of showing all of the items. Like sometimes it's fun to just watch, you know, like kind of like window shopping but doing it on YouTube. So those are like some of my favorite videos to watch. So alright, we're just gonna dig in and I'll show you what I did purchase at Dollar Tree. So I was so excited. Kristen K, one of my friends here on YouTube, she posted her haul and she found these and I was like, I can't even believe these were $1. She showed these in one of her videos and I was like, I have to have those. I hope our Dollar Tree has them. And they did. These cute little corn things. You can like put them in the ground out front for decorations, and I thought they were just the cutest things ever. I live out in the desert, so you don't see a whole lot of corn fields and whatnot like back in the Midwest where I'm from. So I'm just gonna bring a little corn to my front yard. I thought these were adorable, and for $1, can't beat it. So I really didn't buy much. Like I said, I was pretty much just out getting ideas and inspiration. So yeah, I don't have a whole lot to show you. Some of the items I am going to show you are super random, but we'll kind of stick with the fall theme still. So I did pick up 3 of these. They say thankful and blessed, and they're just really cute little pumpkins. They've got kind of like the like galvanized, not really, what is that? Kind of looks like metal up here, but I thought these were super cute and I have an idea of what I'm going to do with these, so I needed 3 of them. And yeah, stay tuned for this one because I have it in my head. I hope it turns out. And then this item I found, I actually saw a fellow YouTuber do a DIY with these and I had no idea she got them from Dollar Tree. I just remember seeing them and I was like, oh, those are so cute. I could use those for so many things. And I found them at Dollar Tree. They say thankful, harvest, and welcome, and they're just like little galvanized signs, and they are so cute. They're like metal, actual metal. I had no idea they even sold these there, so I was very excited to find these. These kind of go with the little pumpkin DIY that I'm gonna make, so I hope that turns out. And these next things I picked up, these are just the little mesh, decorative mesh that you can make like wreaths with. So I got 2 purple, 2 blacks, and 2 oranges because I am going to be participating in a wreath making playlist. She didn't want to call it a challenge because it's not really a challenge. It's going to be a playlist that a bunch of people are going to upload their videos to, and so I wanted to get some items for that. I still have no idea what I'm going to make. I kind of have an idea. But yeah, I need to like get on Pinterest and find some inspiration for that. But I did pick up this and then this mesh for that. They did have some Halloween stuff up, not a ton, but I am good in the Halloween department because my husband last year went to the Dollar Tree and spent $100 on Halloween stuff. I will link that video up above for you guys to check out. that's why he can't be trusted. Like, he cannot shop alone because he spends $100 at the dollar store. This little thing, these are so stinking cute. I've never seen these before at Dollar Tree. I saw them as we were about to check out and I was like, what is that? Lunchbox notes. You put these in your kids' lunch boxes and they're just like little fun little notes. Have a fun day. Be brave. You got this. You are the sweetest. And then it came with like a couple blank ones that you can write your own notes in there. And my kids can't read yet, but I just thought these were so cute. And maybe if I tell them like what they say, or maybe their teacher could read it to them, but I thought that would be such a cute little surprise for them to find in their lunchbox. I just thought these were adorable. Never seen these before, so I had to grab these. Next two items, these are really random. I have never seen these at Dollar Tree before. They're foil backsplash wall stickers. So you can basically like put it on like a backsplash. I got this pattern because I thought this would be cool for a DIY. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it, but I just feel like it would be really cool for something. So I picked up this one, and then my mom wanted this one. This, it says wake up and smell the coffee, so she is gonna put this one in her little coffee bar. Hopefully it'll fit. These are 17 inches by 29 inches. So I don't know, I've never seen these before. I thought these would be cool to check out. Two items were some plates, because you know why? You can never have too many plates. Dollar Tree has some really nice dishware and glassware and stuff. So yeah, I just picked up two of these. They're both white. They seem like really good quality, and I thought these would be good for like just random serving items or whatever. All the serving platters or plates I have are all plastic from the Dollar Tree, so I figured I would upgrade and maybe get some glass ones. Alright you guys, that does it for my quick little Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're getting in the fall spirit because I am ready for some more fall DIYs. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see y'all soon. Bye.